will eventually come true. I stop my busy footsteps. E511s foldable quadcopter. Experience life with your heart. It's powerful and easy to operate. Outdoor GPS fixed point can make it hover precisely in the air. GPS intelligent following system ensures it to record my cycling figure in a flying angle. It's equipped with 1080p high-definition wide-range camera, which can be adjusted by 90 degrees up and down and record the excellent moments. .360-degree circumferential point setting provides a brand new angle to view the familiar scenery and record wonderful moments. Airline planning will give up the complex operation, set the desired track, and will head from the destination automatically. Heat determines my sight, and sight changes the way I look at the world. Intelligent operation experience, easy to return with one button. E511s foldable quadcopter, change another way to see the world.
Designed with ingenuity and focused on details. This is E520s foldable UAV. Everyone can be the director of life to record a blockbuster film of his own. Portable and foldable, it has excellent performance. Everyone can be the director of life. What matters is not the end of the journey, but the scenery along the way. E520s UAV makes your journey marvelous. Different heights, different kinds of beauty. The right choice gives you the most beautiful scenery and makes you experience extraordinary stories. Retain a beautiful moment, record a wonderful life. E520s foldable UAV.
Certain perspective limits our altitude and vice versa, but this T25 release it. Looks amazing? You can also make it. POTENSIC T25. Life should be this way. Refuse to be complicated and make it simple. One key taking off, landing. Fixed point hovering in the air. GPS positioning system. And one key auto return. T25 can automatically return and land precisely. However, our T25 is more than that. T25 can meet all your expectations. A smart drone, The drone will fly according to your designed route and the app map. A good partner. T25 will always fly around you, wherever you go, by the Follow Me mode. Tired of conventional shooting? Let's make a change. One key taking HD pictures, and the 75-degree adjustable camera will diversify your shooting style. Record 1080p HD videos. See broader views. One key sharing joyful moments you've captured through the drone app. Stronger anti-wind ability due to the newest built-in 9-axis gyro, which makes perfect shooting. Easy to control. The headless mode helps the pilot easy to control in the air. Freely enjoy the fast and the furious in the sky. What's more, T25 drone is like a star shining in the night sky. The LED flashlight helps you realize your aircraft's real-time position, satisfy you from flying experience to visual perception. All what we've been done is to bring you a more intelligent, functional, and simpler drone to you.
Seeking stars in the sky, shocked by the boundlessness and vastness. But POTENSIC's enterprising craftsmanship can make our dream finally come true. T25 enlightens your life.